Yesterday, Silicon Valley biggest investor stopped being an investor and became a founder again. And investors immediately gave him $135 million. Why everybody is busy arguing which AI model is actually better, investors nowadays are someone who are becoming founders of an AI startup. And you know what? This isn't the biggest news from this week's startup news. We're gonna connect all the dots in the Venture Wednesday. Welcome to the Venture Wednesday by Tepi AI. In Venture Wednesday, we're gonna go beyond the headlines and actually understand what the news actually meant for the founder. Because news is everywhere, but understanding the opportunity behind the news, it's pretty much harder. So grab your coffee and let's dive into this week's biggest story. Let's start with the story everybody is talking about. You know, Sorry for the bad pronunciation. An investor, podcaster, a billionaire, and one of the Silicon Valley most controversial personality. For years, his job was in investing in founders. He started an AI startup 8090 Labs. Now, most people are looking at his funding number, but they are looking at the wrong thing. Somebody who already has money, already has biggest podcast in tech, already has influence. The reality is he doesn't need to build another company, and yet he jumped back into arena. The takeaway from here is from the last few years, everybody wants to be an AI influencer. Even I also wanted to become an AI influencer and print billions and trillions of money. But this year, winners are becoming AI operators. Talking about AI is easy. Yes. But building with AI is where value is created. The second story of Ventures Wednesday is money is moving faster than ever. Menlo Ventures, one of the Silicon Valley oldest venture capital fund, just raised $3 billion AI fund. Investors aren't putting billions into AI because it's trendy. It was trendy in 2023-2024, but today they are putting billions of money because they know it's gonna build a $1 trillion economy soon. And here's the story I think most founders misunderstood this week. OpenAI released a new research on AI agents. Most news headlines said that agents are getting better, and that's really obvious. But here's the important part everybody missed. The key takeaway for founders over here is the standalone LLMs gonna lose their value with the time. And those products who orchestrated with reliable agents and memory, they gonna win in the future. So that's why you should audit your roadmap with agent integration. And let's talk about some important opportunities you shouldn't miss as a startup. Opportunity number 1, Y Combinator. The world's most influential startup accelerator is accepting application for their upcoming batches. You can find the links to apply in this opportunity in the description below. Opportunity number 2, Rise AI Startup Competition. If you're an AI startup looking for mentorship and international visibility, you shouldn't miss this opportunity. Anyways, what's the biggest takeaway of today's episode? Write down in the comments below. And if you don't want to miss any startup opportunity, you should subscribe to our newsletter. Link is given in the description below. And every week we're gonna break down the startup and AI news that's important for founders like you. So stay tuned with us. See you next Wednesday with Venture Wednesday.